Okay, this short tutorial is to show you how to repeat a DVD using a DVD or a Blu-ray player. In this particular example, we're using a Samsung Blu-ray player. We're playing a DVD. Here's what happens when we pop the disc in. Disc starts reading. And then there's a pre-menu that starts right at the beginning with some information. If we look at the remote control from the top, ignore my tape, it's not in the way. We zoom in on it. This bottom portion is the buttons that you need to use in order to navigate through a DVD with multiple chapters. So there's the skip chapter button, and that's these two here, left and right. So if you hit this one, we're going to skip through a bunch of chapters. So the DVD is playing. You can quickly see what are all the effect choices you have on this disc by hitting the skip chapter button. I'll just do this very quickly. You can see each one is different. And so if I wanted to look for just the perfect one for my floor, this way you can quickly sample what's there by just hitting one button on the remote, the skip chapter button. So let's say you want this one to repeat. You've got it playing. To repeat a chapter on a DVD using the remote, at the very bottom of the Samsung remote is two repeat buttons. One labeled A to B, and the other just says repeat. This is the one you want to push. You push this button. Repeat off, it shows the different things that it will, different settings. Repeat title, that's the whole DVD. Repeat chapter, that's it. So we leave it like this. This black bar in the title will go away. In this case, this particular remote, there we go. Now, let's watch. Once those snakes crawl out of the screen, they should crawl right back in again. And then this chapter will keep playing until the power goes out. There they go. It's just repeated. Now, we'll zoom forward really fast here to the end, so you can see it will repeat again and it'll just keep on playing. They'll crawl right out of the cracks again because we have set this to repeat chapter. There we go. The final comment, in case you're curious, why do we put 20, 30, 40, sometimes as many as 100 effects clips on one DVD? Well, it's simple. If we have over 6,000 effects. So if we sold every one singly on a DVD, we're going to have to sell them for at least $10. If you want them all, that's $60,000. In our first 3-4 years of doing DVDs, that is how we did it. And people often wrote us checks for $3,000 and $4,000 to get all our titles. But by putting multiple effects on one DVD, it's a better deal for you. That's why we do that.